Our wedding anniversary this year was made truly memorable with a beautiful journey through nature, simplicity, and togetherness. We celebrated this special day by visiting the serene Sadhana forest in Auroville, Pondicherry, a place filled with peace, lush greenery, and an inspiring spirit of sustainable living. Walking through the calm surrounding, listening to the sound of nature, and spending quiet moments together made the day deeply meaningful and profound. Sadhana Forest is a living example of ecological restoration and sustainable community living. Its philosophy is based on the idea that human beings are not separate from nature but an inseparable part of it. Through reforestation, water conservation, vegan living, and collective community efforts, the forest promotes harmony between humans, animals, plants, and the environment. It is not just about planting trees, but about restoring ecosystem, human values, compassion, simplicity, and our deep connection with the earth. The celebration became more special with a delightful dinner at Arabian Garden Seafood Restaurant in Akkare, Chennai. The warm ambience of the restaurant, delicious seafood, and the joy of sharing these wonderful moments together added the perfect ending to our anniversary. A day filled with love, gratitude, peaceful memories, and togetherness, truly a wedding anniversary to cherish forever. Before concluding this video, I would like to sincerely congratulate the founder of the Sadhana Forest, Mr. Aviram, and his spouse Yorit, for their remarkable contribution to nature conservation. We also extend our heartfelt thanks for their warm hospitality, genuine kindness, and the beautiful friendship they shared with us. Thank you so much, Aviram and Yorit. You are truly wonderful.